Hi, and welcome to Colorado Bend State Park. I am Ranger Debbie.
And I'm Ranger Cora.
And today we're going to give you some tips on how to prepare for a day hike here at Colorado Bend State Park. Now, Cora, I really like my energy drink, and I'm going to take that on my trail. What do you think about that?
Well, energy drinks and sodas are actually going to dehydrate you more, so you need to prioritize water.
Okay, so will one bottle work for me?
No way. You need at least a liter per person per hour.
Okay, so no to my energy drink, yes to water.
Right.
Okay, so I'm on the trail, and just one thing of granola will work for me, won't it?
Definitely not. You need lots of snacks to fuel you on your hike.
Okay, water, no energy drink, snacks. One thing I do know, I keep hearing about sunscreen.
Sunscreen is a great protection from the sun and sunburns.
Okay, so I'm got some pluses going here. A first aid kit, really?
That's very important. If you get a cut or a scrape on a trail, it's going to be very helpful.
Ooh, even with cactus needles.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, all right. Now, I'm a good hiker. I'm a really good hiker. I know these trails. Do I really have to take a map?
Yes, of course you need a map. It helps you know where you're going to go.
Okay. Oh, I've heard, now this too, I like to hike by myself. Do I have to tell people where I am?
Yes, you should tell the ranger or your family where you're going to go, and it can give them a time of when they should expect you back.
Okay. All right, well, I feel better. So I'm going to make sure I have lots of water, snacks, sunscreen, first aid kit, and my map, all in my backpack. Cora, thank you. And we hope that you enjoy the trails here at Colorado Bend State Park. Be sure and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and #Texas State Parks.